Welcome back to my channel. It's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy to have you here. Today I have another 2-for-1. Yeah, 2 wigs, 1 review. Well, 2 reviews, 1 video. 2 wigs, 2 reviews, 1 video, okay? And I had done a wig haul where I got a bunch of sister wigs. You saw pictures in the beginning of the 2 wigs together, but I got Miss Apple and Peach, okay? And I wanted to see what they were like, if I liked them, if I didn't. This is sort of the back. Right now I am wearing Peach, and although she has bangs, because I don't like bangs, I actually really love this wig, and I was surprised. I was really surprised. The texture is a silky, it's a light yaki texture. She's about 16 inches long. She does have this swoopy bang, which you do have to like kind of get together. I have clips of getting her together after this. She does have sort of a swoopy bang that you have to set in the right place, especially if you're someone like me who hates bangs, but I do like how they end up looking. And she's very comfortable wig cap. I'd say both of them are larger-esque wig caps because I had to pull it in pretty far. Apple is going to be more, she's more silky. No, she's a light yaki texture as well, but there is definitely some silkiness to both these. These would be multicultural options for sure. If you have non-textured hair, I think either one of these would be really good options for you. I have Apple in the color Sombre Root 2730, and I just have Peach here in the color 4, okay? Same wig cap construction, very comfortable. So you can see there's, it's a full cap wig, 2 combs in the front, no combs in the back on either one of them, but adjustable straps. And you see I did pull it in quite a bit. I got Apple from Divatress for $19.35, and I got Peach for $17.59. So they're both under $20. And I think for being under $20, like, they're great options. You just have to choose sort of which one you like better in terms of the style and the length. You'll see in the video, but Apple's going to be more in that probably 18-inch length, and this is going to be more of your 14-inch length. Let's look at her from the back. Oh, that's super cute. Nice movement. Yeah, I like Peach. Why don't you put down below, out of the 2, which one your favorite is? And that's what I have for you in these 2-for-1. What's better, Apple or Peaches? If there's any other sister wig wigs you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you want to check out my sister wigs haul, I will link that, or you can look in the wig haul playlist, okay? And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!